YouTube short about nature. Imagine the world at dawn, as darkness surrenders to the break of day. Nature awakens, ready to display her majesty. In the silence, you hear whispers of the wind, telling tales of timeless wisdom. Listen closely, connect deeply. Observe the stubborn tree, standing tall against storms. It's not just resilience, it's an audacious declaration of life. See the river, constantly flowing, never stagnant. A lesson in persistence, a symbol of continuous growth. Finally, witness the sunset, painting the sky with hues of hope. A reminder that endings can be beautiful too. Nature speaks. Are you ready to listen?